Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Another Japanese-made advertising flip-top petrol lighter. This one branded BARLOW, windproof. Says design B7 Japan. This is an advertiser for Normoil Engineering Company, the Associated General Contractors of America, Taylor Ridge, Illinois, 798-2372. So for those of you who find the phone numbers on lighters interesting, there you have the full 7-digit phone number, but no area code. This is an insert style petrol lighter, and you can see here that when we roll the file wheel that it turns freely, which if we had a Flint installed and the spring was doing its job and everything was making contact, that should not be happening. So we will remove our Flint spring screw. You can see some dust come out of there with it. Felt pad, and looks contaminated, looks a little off color, a little stiff, but I'll bet you it functions just fine. We removed that felt pad just so we wouldn't get Flint dust all over it. You can see here that our wick is pretty dirty. The lighter did not look like it had been used all that much. It looks fairly clean down on the metal surfaces, but whatever bit that it had been used was pretty filthy from it. So we're going to leave the wick. We're going to get our 3/32 drill bit and measure here. Get a crude distance, how far we need to go, and you can see that it's not far. So we will try to hold this all so that any dust coming out falls down and onto the table and not down into the lighter. And it was literally that simple. I could just feel that dusted, concreted flint just crumble there. So pull this out, and our bit was a little bit dirty anyway, and not a whole lot of anything coming out on my hand. Lost my nozzle. Now we will replace our felt pad, drop a flint from our Zip-A-Flint dispenser, down the tube, replace the spring. Good healthy spark. Tighten our spring on down. That spring keeps backing up a little bit. Squirt it all over the place like I did last time. That is a healthy amount of fuel. See that felt pad was well saturated. And there are some very fine blemishes which we'll go over. A really attractive lighter, and you'll still see the regular show and tell video on this one later, but this is how you clear that Flint tube and get one sparking again.